Alright, today is gonna be very special. I purchased this wallet for my birthday, and I have not received it until today. It takes about 2 months. I ordered in September, and now it's November, so it takes 2 months for it to arrive. So I'm very happy that I finally got it. Okay. Why you may say, why am I needing another wallet? Well, first of all, it's for my birthday. Second of all, I wanted to have a Shell Cordovan wallet, and I want the best. This is very expensive. I hope I don't have to buy another Shell Cordovan wallet anymore. This one should take care of the need. Okay, I'm gonna go and open that one. First time opening it. It's a company called Mildy Hands, all handmade from Taiwan, using the best Shell Cordovan leather from Italy. So it's one of those consortium where they make sure that the vegetable tan leather is of greatest quality, and that's why I buy from them. So, okay, thank you for the card. So let's see. I'm not going to do any description on the box. Nothing special about the box, just a paper box. Okay. And here it is. Oh man, 2 months. I'm very excited. Alright. Okay, more plastic bag. Okay, let's see how this looks like. Okay, I really like it. Very lightweight. Doesn't feel too bad. Where's my other wallet? Alright, okay. So that's what I've been using. From Familiar Palais. That's the horror letter. And let's see what this one is. This is the Shell Cordovan from Italy. Okay, let me see that side by side for comparison. Okay, size is pretty similar. Maybe slightly thinner. The Shell Cordovan is definitely thinner. It's a 1, 2, and 3, 6 card folding bifold wallet. This is more a traditional way of putting the card. For the Familiar Palette. For the Mighty Hands, it looks very different. Shove it over. Oh man, let me smell it. Oh, smell like high-end leather shoes. Okay, so I'm gonna touch the wallet, the leather here. Definitely, the Shell Cordovan is not as thick as horn, but in the hands it feels really good. It doesn't feel sloppy or too thin or not well built. And the stitching looks pretty good. Let me see if I can zoom closer. And then open it up here. Yeah, definitely this wallet is big enough for my bills and all that stuff. Okay. The color is nice. I make sure I order. If you just buy a Shell Cordovan, a lot of times they give you the outer shells is Cordovan, but the inside is some other regular leather. But for my case, I want something that's completely inside out, Shell Cordovan. So this is a full one. So as you can imagine, the price is pretty expensive. And I can post a link there. You can see. I paid $470 for this one, so it's definitely not cheap. It smells so good. I can't wait to see this age well here. I asked the owner of the shop from Axie, Mighty Hands, basically which leather he believes will age the most beautiful in character, and he's recommend the Italian Shell Cordovan, and the color changing will be awesome. And I trust him. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, and I love the fact that there's no branding on the front, same as the Familiar Palais. they have one here inside. I don't like it outside. This is more, compared to this one, definitely this one is more elegant, more luxurious, you can say. And the Vermeer Palais is pretty regular, day-to-day. I still love this wallet. This is my #1 wallet so far. You can't imagine how many compliments I get on a daily basis. So I definitely will try both and carry it on a daily basis and see how it works. The Vermeer Palais so far, I think I use it a month and a half now, and it's still holding up really well. You see the corner where it folds, it doesn't collapse immaturely, and the leather quality still stay very firm and nice. So I can't wait to try out the Shell Cordovan and see how it compares. Definitely interesting. Alright, I'm gonna put the card in there while I'm at it. So I'm not gonna let you guys see my credit card. I'm gonna put it in there. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Alright. Just want to make sure it fits. Okay, it works. Okay. One card. And then I'm going to put another one here. Another card. Definitely feels very tight and well made. Okay. I don't want to squeeze too many. Okay. And let's see, I can put one more there. Driver's license, logo entry. Okay, license will work. Okay. Just gonna put, drop it already. License there. Okay, looks good. It does comes out here. Right. License in the inside. Okay. Alright. Credit card. What else I can squeeze in there? Alright. My global entry card. Let's see. I like to carry only my essential card. I don't want to carry too many. Alright, so far so good. Okay, this stuff I'm not going to carry with me. Money, okay, money probably helps. I don't have a lot today. Just gonna put some paper bill. Okay. Put it back here. Alright. You can see Washington's face right in the middle. Okay. Nice. Okay. That's how it looks. I never have a Shell Cordovan leather wallet ever in my life, so I'm very excited to see how it's supposed to hold up. That's awesome. Okay. Anything else? I don't want to put too many cards in there, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Put my wallet away here. Okay. And yeah, here it is. Alright. This is just a quick unboxing showing you all my wallet. And I'll be start using it and see how it ages on over time. So I can't believe I finally get this one. Been waiting for so long. Okay. Alright guys, if you have any question, you want a link to the Mildy Hand, the craftsman for this wallet, I'll post a link there and you can check it out and let me know what you think about this one. Alright, I'm gonna post a 3 months and 6 month review, and then you can compare how it looks over time. Alright, that's it.